decision on India's top election post is set to be made today. The selection committee, comprising Prime Minister Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah, and Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi, will meet to pick the next Chief Election Commissioner. This is the first time a CEC is being chosen under the new Chief Election Commissioner and Other Election Commissioners Act 2023. Let's tell you the act that is mandates the selection committee must choose from a panel of 5 names recommended by this particular committee. Also remember, the new law allows them to look beyond the existing election commissioners as well. Meanwhile, the new appointment comes amid legal scrutiny. Supreme Court is set to hear a petition challenging the validity of the act on February 19. That is just 2 days from now. Alright, that is the latest as far as how this high-level selection panel will be meeting. Remember, the visual that you're seeing on your screens is of Rajiv Kumar, the Chief Election Commissioner, whose tenure is going to get over tomorrow. And in the purview of the same, we're looking at a situation where now all eyes on how India is going to be electing for its top election post. More importantly, this is a very important development given the fact that concurrently what we're looking at in forms of legality. Very important to note here that the Supreme Court is also set to hear the petition challenging the validity of this particular act 2 days from now. This is also because of the fact that while, of course, Rajiv Kumar does finish his tenure, demitting office, that is, the committee could elevate Election Commissioner Gyanesh Kumar the next in line by seniority. Will that happen or not? Well, remains to be seen as far as this particular important meet that will be called. The selection committee, that is, will comprise of Prime Minister as well as Home Minister and the Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi. Okay, I'm given to understand Nikhil will also put this into perspective for us. Nikhil, I appreciate you once again talking to us about the latest that we're picking up. Like, I just mentioned, tomorrow is the last day for Chief Election Commissioner Officer, that is Rajiv Kumar. This panel is extremely important because you're not just talking in the purview of what will come out of that. It's an important post. And more importantly, coming on the heels of legality of the Supreme Court also hearing that act in 2 days from now. But as far as the panel coming together today, tell us more on that.
So Nivedna, as you have rightly mentioned, Rajiv Kumar, who is his Chief Election Commissioner, he is all set to retire tomorrow, which is his last day of the tenure. So today there is this important meeting which has been called from the side of the Law Ministry, wherein Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal, he is going to participate in the same. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is also going to be present, and there will be presence of Leader of Opposition inside the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, as well. So it would be interesting to see as to what are the proposals or the suggestions which are put forth from the side of the Rahul Gandhi, because this is officially going to be his very first time for this particular meeting. And this is a 3-member committee which is going to select the next Chief Commissioner for the election commissioner, so to say, which is going to be decided by the 3-member committee. So today the details are coming in that they have to decide on the name, because tomorrow is the final day of the Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar. Earlier in this particular panel there used to be a name of the CGI as well, but that was something which was eliminated from the side of the Bharatiya Janata Party after bringing a particular act inside the parliament. So now the 3-member committee is going to meet today, wherein Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Arjun Ram Meghwal, who is the Law Minister, and LOP Rahul Gandhi, they are going to discuss about the new person who will be given the responsibility for the next Chief Election Commissioner of the country.
All right, Nikhil, I appreciate you